Resetting your Noise Shots Ergo. If you are having trouble with your Noise Shots Ergo, try resetting to the following steps. First, make sure your Shots Ergo are fully charged. On your paired smartphone or laptop, remove or delete your Shots Ergo from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. Remove both earbuds from the charging case. Press and hold the buttons on both earbuds until both LEDs flash white 3 times. Now tap both earbuds 3 times each. Both earbuds with LEDs flash white once. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Your Shots Ergo have now been reset and are ready to be paired with your smartphone or laptop again. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.